Dear mom, my lovely people, how are you doing today? Anyị ga-eleba anya na ihe gbasara okwu na okwu ntụgharị. Today, we're going to be looking at words and opposites. We're going to be learning new words and we're also going to be learning the opposites. Now, before we get to it, I want you to like, subscribe, share, and be a part of this family. Let's get to class. Alright guys, welcome to class. Now the first one we're going to look at is elu. Elu, up. Ala, down. Ala, down. Elu. Elu, up. Ala, down. Ala, down. Aqua. Aqua, cry. Ochi, laughter. Aqua, cry. Ochi, laughter. Ndụ, life. Ndụ, life. Ọnwụ, death. Ọnwụ, death. Udu mmiri, raining season. Udu mmiri, raining season. Ọkọchị, dry season. Ọkọchị, dry season. Uju, plenty. Uju, plenty. Ụkọ, lack. Ụkọ, lack. Ụwa, earth. Ụwa, earth. Eluigwe, heaven. Eluigwe, heaven. Now we also hear people say eluigwe as heaven. So you have Owa, the earth, eluigwe or eluigwe, heaven. Mmadu, man. Mmadu, man as in human being. Mmụọ, spirit. Mmụọ, spirit. Ike, difficult. Ike, difficult. Mfe, easy. Mfe, easy. Umu, children. Umu, children. Ohu, ohu, slave. Ohu, slave. Ogaranya, wealthy person. Ogaranya, a wealthy person. Ogbenye, poor person. Ogbenye, poor person. Ogaranya, ogbenye. Mma, beautiful. Mma, beautiful. Njọ, ugly. Njọ, ugly. Yes. Yes. Mba, no. Mba, no. Yes. Yes. Mba, no. Mba, no. Mmanụ mmanụ, oily. Mmanụ mmanụ, oily. Ntụ ntụ, dusty. Ntụ ntụ, dusty. Mmanụ mmanụ, oily. Ntụ ntụ, dusty. Iwe, anger. Iwe, anger. Obi ụtọ, happiness. Obi ụtọ, happiness. Iwe, anger. Obi ụtọ, happiness. Ụtụtụ, morning. Ụtụtụ, morning. Abalị, night. Abalị, night. Ụtụtụ, morning. Abalị, night. Oyi, cold. Oyi, cold. Ọkụ, hot. Ọkụ, hot. Oyi, cold. Ọkụ, hot. Isi, head. Isi, head. Ọdụ, tail. Ọdụ, tail. Isi, head. Ọdụ, tail. Nna, father. Nna, father. Nne, mother. Nne, mother. Nna, father. Nna, father. Nne, mother. Obere, small. Obere, small. Ukwu, big. Ukwu, big. Obere, small. Ukwu, big. Nwoke, man, as in the masculine gender now. Nwoke, man. Nwanyị, woman. Nwoke, man. Nwanyị, woman. Ogologo, tall. Ogologo, tall. Mkpụmkpụ, short. Mkpụmkpụ, short. Ogologo, tall. Mkpụmkpụ, short. Oji, black. Oji, black. Ọcha, white. Ọcha, white. Alright, do well to go through these words over and over again and master it. Remember not to rush it. Do well to tell me your own okuntuari, oku na okuntuari in the comment section. Bye. Elu, ala. I know you learned some too. Make sure that you write the words you learned, and also in the comment section write down words you want to know their opposites. Okay, guys. Bye.